three parts, Lal, Storm, and Aftermath, makes it clear that the novel is about the silent atmosphere before the announcement of partition, the horrible incidents caused by the partition, and the pitiable condition of uprooted refugee after partition. Nahal has used the 7 families of a Muslim-dominated city, Sialkot, to represent thousands of sufferers like him. The reasons of partition. By the end of 19th century, several nationalistic movements had started in India. Indian nationalism had grown largely since British policies of occupation and the advance made by the British in India in the field of transportation and communication. However, their complete insensitivity to understand from the people of India and their customs created such disillusionment with them in their subjects that the end of British rule became necessary and inevitable. While the Indian National Congress was calling for Britain to quit India, the Muslim League in 1943 passed a resolution for them to divide and quit. There were several reasons for the birth of a separate Muslim homeland and rule policy in India. Even in the census, they categorized people according to religion and viewed and treated them as separate from each other. They had based their knowledge of the people of India on the basic religious texts and the intrinsic differences they found in them instead of on the way they coexisted in the present culture. They refused to learn English and to associate with the British. This was a severe drawback for them as they found that the Hindus were now in better position in government than they were and thus felt that the British favored Hindus. Hindu revivalists also deepened the chasm between the two nations. They resented the Muslims for their former rule over India. Hindu revivalists rallied for a ban on the slaughter of cows, the chief source of meat for the Muslims. They also wanted to change the official script from Persian to Hindu, effectively making Hindi rather than Urdu the main candidate for the national language. Congress made several mistakes in their politics which further convinced the League that it was impossible to live an undivided India after freedom from a colonial because the interest would be completely suppressed. One such policy was the institution of the Vande Mataram, a national anthem which expressed anti-Muslim sentiments. The writer, through his protagonist, expresses him from Amritsar, which was full of murder and wounded Muslims. This excited the Muslims who killed and wounded the Hindus in Trank Bazar. Soon the Hindus were forced to leave for the refugee camp. The scene of departure of Bibi Amaravati's tenant, the owner of the house which were Nalakanshiram and others were lived, is really very emotional and the scene symbolizes thousands of such scenes. 15 million refugees poured across the border to religion completely foreign to them. For them, they were Hindu or Muslim. Their identity had been embedded in the region where their ancestors were from. Many years after the partition, the two nations are still trying to heal the wounds left behind by the insertion once all body of India. Many are still in search of an identity and history left behind beyond an impenetrable boundary. The two countries started off with ruined economics and lands and without an established clean system of government. They lost many of their most dynamic leaders such as Gandhi, Jinnah, and Allama Iqbal. Overall, Shama Nahal ended his novel with a sadly depleted family trying to begin a new life in Delhi. Azadi has none of the sensationalism of other novels about India's partition such as Kushwan Singh's Train to Pakistan or Manohar, Migrant Cars, Ben, and Gangs. Nahal shows the cruelty as well as the humanity of both sides. In conclusion, as we said, that the novel is about partition, but one thing is, I think important is that the novelist did not want to criticize through his novel. He did not want to criticize one religion against others. So, as we mentioned before, Nahal himself was one of those refugees who compelled to leave Sialkot for India. So he wrote what he had observed. Almost at the end of the novel, this fact has been cleared up. He wrote, in Delhi, Lalakan and others had to see the Muslim abducted women's body. They felt bad. Soon they saw that a train of Muslim refugees was attacked and many Muslims were killed. Nahal, through his protagonist, gave his idea that he did not hate the Muslims because what they did in Pakistan with the Hindus, the Indians did the same with the Muslims in India. Thank you.
Thank you, Tahir. And you have restricted yourself to 18 minutes. We were liberal with you, 20 minutes. But it's very nice of you to be ahead of time. And therefore, I invite now Dinkar Mehta will be reading a paper on immediacy, anger and social sensitivities in K.P. Bharwala's poem. Honorable Dr.